Yeah, we got soft ollies doing a bit. So we've got an enamel paint going on the chassis rails. Not sure how this will turn up because the sun's on it, but all the inside of the engine bay there has been scrubbed down, cleaned up, cleaned with thinners, and then covered in this black enamel. So we'll see what's going on. Show you what we've got up here. The brake calipers have been stripped. You've had the first coat of red caliper paint. They look a bit rough obviously because it's the first coat. It takes 2 or 3 coats to build it up. So that's being done. The old brake pads are there, the new brake pads are there, the discs are in them boxes. So we've got everything to rebuild it all. But obviously we're not worried about that until it's all clean, done, dried, checked obviously, and made sure all the pistons are free. Let me do the back, just show you around the back of the engine while we're here, for people who don't know these cars. What we've got is the Jag V12 and a Renault UM1 gearbox, stainless steel custom exhaust. We've got twin coilover independent rear wishbones suspension at the back. So what we'll do, first of all, we'll take the engine out and the gearbox, recondition all of that, new clutch, new hoses and everything else. While the engine and gearbox is out, we're going to renew all the hoses on the plumbing system, make sure all the water system's all brand new hose, renew all the fuel lines, all that kind of stuff. We'll strip the suspension down, same as they did with the other two in the front. And this has got 6 shockeys on, obviously 2 on the back, 2 over there, 1 each on the front. We'll check each one individually, make sure they're all right, recondition them all, put them all back together, and then obviously reassemble it all. Needs a respray. You have a look at that thing there, that's about the worst damage. I could probably rub that down myself, blow a bit of filler on it, put a bit of filler on it, rub it down, put a bit of paint on, but I'm going to give it to a shop and get a shop to do it. So it comes, when it comes out, it'll come out basically perfect. Then obviously we'll put it for an MOT, make sure everything's right, and have a new set of tyres and that. So I'm just not sure what to do with the interior. I can get a brand new pair of bucket seats for about £200 each off of Demon Twigs, but these bucket seats are really, really comfy, and all the bolt holes and everything match up. So I don't know what it would cost to have these retrimmed. I want to do something with the dashboard, but I'm not sure what to do. The original idea was to take the grey out and swap it for yellow leather or yellow vinyl. But I think it might just be a little bit too much, a little bit too in your face. Because you've got a bright yellow car, you need a yellow dash. But yeah, so we'll figure it out anyway, we'll figure out how we go.